Hello, we're the developers of the CinemaFusion movie website. I'm Charlene, I'm a full stack developer.
I'm Jenny Huijuan. I'm a front-end developer.
I'm Justice. I'm a front-end developer.
Hi, I'm Nandini, and I'm the backend developer.
We're going to be discussing our project plan and its stages of development in this presentation.
So our project tackles information overload over an advanced movie recommendation website. Based on our research, we would like our project to employ a hybrid approach that combines content-based and collaborative filtering. This will fully utilize the advantages of both content-based and collaborative filtering techniques to provide a more accurate and diverse recommendations. We aim to prevent information overload by providing users a personalized user experience, where the movie recommendations are created to them uniquely, so they will enhance film viewing experience by processing a variety of user data, including preference, feedback, and demographics.
Now we'll be discussing the design of our project. So here's a software architecture diagram. This diagram shows the architecture and relationships among the different parts of the software system, including the database, the backend, and the frontend associated with the website. Both the website and the database are hosted on AWS, with the data being stored in MySQL database. It is used to manage the data tables, the data integrity, and to process the queries made to it. The backend server written in Golang queries the database according to specific data requested by the user. It also authenticates and processes the HTTP request made to it by the frontend and then returns any data requested by the frontend. The frontend is written using the Angular framework. The user uses their browser to access the user interface. The user interface makes HTTP requests to the backend on behalf of the user and allows routing among the web pages.
For the user interface, these low-fidelity wireframe sketches indicate what the user will see at first hand. The homepage will feature the name of our project, a welcome message, the beginning of the questionnaire, a search bar, a user account feature to create an account or log in, and a user favorite feature. The user will continue answering the questionnaire and then will be given a list of movies based on the responses or try again. For the user account feature, when the user selects this button, a new window will appear for the user to log in or sign up or close the window. For the user favorites feature, when the user selects this button, a new window will appear for the user to see a list of movies they have favorited or close the window.
Now we'll discuss the progress of our project, our milestones, and technical implementation. This is a Gantt chart of our project progress. We are currently handling the diagrams and the programming and implementation phases that you can see here in our Gantt chart. We have set up our programming environment. We have designed the database and server for the project with the ability to remotely connect, and we have implemented small testing on test data and API endpoints. We have also implemented a front-end framework with a UI that makes simple HTTP requests to the backend. To collaborate on and manage this code, we are using a GitHub repository. We are currently handling loading the necessary movie dataset data into the database, refining our recommendation algorithm, and optimizing our user interface for accessibility and effectiveness. Now we'll be discussing our individual responsibilities for this software project.
So for the front end, I will use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to implement the web page. I did develop a sample homepage, and I will continue to work on the welcome page user login system. Also, implementation of the recommendation page with my team member Justice. For the testing part, I will do the web page routes test.
So I will be the full stack developer. So I will be assisting with the front and back end algorithms using both Golang and TypeScript. I will also be managing the database queries through API endpoints in the back end. I'll be testing those APIs, and I'll be managing the overall software consistency of the project and managing the project as a whole.
Also for the front end with my team member Jenny, I will be sketching the wireframe for web pages, designing and implementing the login page, and testing the functionality of the pages.
For the backend, I'll be doing data pre-processing, feature engineering, and I'll also be developing and testing the recommender algorithm. Summing up, our project aims to combat information overload with an advanced movie recommender system to offer users a personalized experience and enhancing their film viewing journey. Thank you.